Hey class, welcome to week 3. I'm really glad we're all together again for our third week together. This is a fun one. I like these labs. They're working out real well. You all are doing very good. I've completed grading some of your work on everything, and overall I think you're all catching on real well and you're very responsive. I do appreciate that quite a lot. In this unit 3, we're talking about now two-dimensional motion, two-dimensional kinematics, and a little more about Newton's laws of motion, which are very important for us all to understand. You're doing very well on the instructions, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that, but I do want to give you a couple of hints for maybe how to get a little bit better grade if you're not getting great grades now. One thing that is always asked of me in the rubric, and you should see this, is how well you conduct the laboratory. And usually I can tell by the data that results in it that you've conducted it pretty well, but one step more might be if in many cases they ask us to do this, but in some cases they don't. One step more would be maybe take a picture of a couple of your setups, a couple of your results, just real close, nothing about the background, anything like that, or just how things looked while you're doing it. And if it looks like it's done in a very responsible way, then you're going to get a little bit higher grade because I have a nice warm feeling you've done it well. At any rate, notice here again, no discussions. So it's just basically do the lab work and you'll be in good shape. And if you ever need help with me, you're being really nice. That's why I think you're a very sharp class, because I'm not getting too many questions. But if you need help at all, I'm here to do that. Be happy to help you out. Please contact me with any questions at all. Enjoy doing projectile motion, and don't scare your animals. Don't scare your pets with that either. And I will talk with you as soon as you call me. Take care. Have a good day.